3 Albuquerque police officers connected to an FBI investigation have resigned. The feds are looking into the DWI unit and whether officers were being paid to miss court so cases get dismissed.
But can those officers who resigned work in law enforcement again? Action 7 News reporter John Cardinelli has the answer.
In New Mexico, there's something called an LEA 90.
Well, this is a form that a law enforcement agency is supposed to use to report any of their certified officers who have committed an offense.
And filling out a report is an obligation for a law enforcement agency.
A law enforcement agency is required to make a report if they believe that there's an officer who's committed an offense, a violation of the rules. It doesn't have to be a criminal violation.
The law says an agency must also report anything that indicates an officer has engaged in fraud, dishonesty, or conduct that shows poor moral character. Once a report is made, it goes to the LEA board.
And the board can review the information and then choose to take action, which could include revoking the certification of an officer. In other words, not giving them the certification that they need to be a law enforcement officer in New Mexico.
But what happens if an LEA 90 form isn't filled out by a department? KOAT legal expert John Day explains.
If there's no action taken on an officer's certification, theoretically, there's nothing to prevent that officer from being hired somewhere else. Now, you'd have to assume that a police department, sheriff's office, some law enforcement agency is going to do just a basic background check on an officer.
I'm John Cardinelli reporting, KOAT Action 7 News.
We asked APD if they filed LEA 90s on the officers who resigned or plan to. They only said their investigation is ongoing.